In this video, we're going to look at how you can create packages for your offerings. You can use packages to sell multiple sessions worth or events worth of offerings in one bundle, and you can do so by heading under payments and clicking on packages. You also have the option to create memberships, but we will do that in another video. In this one, we are just focusing on packages. In order to create one, just simply click on Create Package, and then you'll have this option to edit the title, the call to action, and the description of your package. In this example, we are creating an intro offer for a dance studio. We have added some key information into the description as well, which will actually help us set up the package itself. You can also pick an image that will represent this pack. Choose from something you uploaded to your site or look for a stock photo as well. After picking the image, you can start setting up the credits and expiration of this package as well. The credits mean that this package has a set amount of credits or tokens that clients can use towards their sessions. If it's unlimited, that means there's no limit to it, just an expiry. And if it's not unlimited, you have to add the amount. In this intro offer, there are 5 credits, so we will choose 5. Then you can also decide if this package expires or this will never expire. Now make sure that you check if there are any specific laws where you live, but let's say this will expire after 21 days. So within 3 weeks, they have to use this up. You can also choose that this starts counting back from the first use. If you keep this unticked, the moment they purchase, that will be the start time for 21 days to expire. So we will want to start it from the first. With our registration options, we can also upsell this package, which means that it will pop up as an option for someone who is looking to register for a class. And this is really good because when they choose this, they not only purchase the package, but right away register for that class with using this package as well. So we want to upsell this because this is an intro offer and it will only show up on the offerings or scheduled events that are part of this package. You can also allow clients to bring family members and friends with this package, either using the credit count within the package, or you can apply a guest pass as well. It's really up to you. If we apply it, maybe I give 1 free class to bring a friend, hoping that they would purchase later on their intro offer too. And we make sure that it's only for new guests. Now, this really works more if you have multiple guest credits, so maybe 2 or 3, because that way you can limit that those 3 are not being used by the same guest, but always a different guest for this client purchasing it. Another option that you may be able to turn on depending on your plan is if this is a single package type, an adult shared, or a child package. With the single one, it's for one person can book themselves in and that's it. Maybe they can add the guest member, but other than that, they are the only sole owners of the package. With the adult shared, you can share this membership or package with someone else, so both clients can book in each other. And with a child package, you can use this for your children to attend sessions, and it doesn't require you to register. You can add your children's name and they can be booked into the sessions. So this is a single package type, but you can always choose a different one depending on what you're setting up and if you have the access to this setting. The other main package settings is that you require a specific waiver for this. You might have the generic one that everyone has, or maybe you have a specific one for packages only, maybe something connected to your terms and conditions or usage, etc. So you can always choose this. Especially if this is an intro offer, I would advise using it because this is probably the very first package someone is purchasing in your studio. And because it's an intro offer, we want to allow this reporting to happen, which you can always find under business intelligence. And what can be included in this package is up to you. It could be all of the offerings, no offerings. It's only useful if you're using this for store items, and all offerings except or choose your offering yourself. By choosing the offerings, you tell which sessions that are on your schedule can be booked through this package. And if you want to use if you have a lot of offerings and just a few exceptions, that might be a better option for it to go. You can also limit who can purchase this package. You can add no limitations, maybe one per customer, or can only buy this as their first package or membership. So if they have already bought something else, they won't be able to buy this again. But if you don't mind, if someone who has bought something else wants to purchase this, you can also choose this. And then we can add the package price. As always, you can choose your currency and then the price to it. So this is a $60 package. And as an option, you may be able to add a convenience fee as well, passing on the credit card fees, depending on your plan, to your client, or absorbing it yourself. And then simply create your package. Because we have created a package, there is actually a packages and memberships page automatically created on your offering tree site, and this has been published. You can definitely change the name, and you can also unpublish this and create your own custom page and add your own packages onto that. If we head over to the homepage of this site, you can see the offering packages tab. And we have no memberships, but we have just created this First Steps Dance Studio intro offer with the details that we have added. And it also lists which sessions are valid within this package. You can always update the package later on as well, adding or taking away some of the sessions or changing the pricing or the amount of credits or guest credits as well. So you can always make changes to existing packages as well instead of creating new ones. Publish this, but it's still available for purchase. And how clients can purchase it is by me sending their link to this actual package to them. So if I refresh that packages page, it will show that it doesn't exist anymore, but I can share this link to my clients and they are still able to purchase this intro offer package. I can also toggle this off and not make it available for sale anymore and publish it back just to show that this exists if I wanted to. So this way, when I refresh this landing page for the package, it doesn't allow me to purchase this package anymore. There are other actions as well. You can view details as in who has purchased this package before, what's the revenue that I got from this package, and I can also gift this to someone through here or through the point of sale. As mentioned before, you have some pre-existing pages on your site, and one of them is the offering packages. You can edit this just like any other custom page. You can change the navigation menu title, the SEO or page title, as well as you can add building blocks and hide these away if you want to not show them anymore. Now the membership part doesn't show, only the packages, because we have not created a membership yet. When clients are interested in joining one of your sessions, they can click on one of the events on your schedule. And let's say they are wanting to register for the Ballet 101. When they click register, they can register for themselves, and because we chose to upsell this package, they can choose this as well instead of the single class drop-in fee, which is the $20 paid by credit card. If they choose this, they will be charged for this session, may be able to add a guest and register for multiple sessions, and then there's a breakdown of how the credits are being used. So because they haven't booked in anyone else, 1 credit is required and 1 credit will be used. So if they book this, at this stage they have 5 credits, and then after that they will have 4 credits left.